Problem-based learning is a very distinctive learning resource at York Law School. A group of students will come together and will be given a problem, and they have to take that problem apart, analyse it, and arrive at a set of learning outcomes which will help them learn about the area of law which is introduced by that scenario. The key part of PBL is working as a team to take apart a problem and arrive at ways of researching the underlying law. The first stage of PBL is to identify any unclear terms and to collate the key information within the problem. The first part of that is to read the problem as a group. Then the group need to gather the key information. So what they will do is they will try to identify the key parties within the problem and then say what the drivers of each of those key parties are. They will then identify the key facts within the problem and will determine the chronology of the happening of those key facts. Stage 2 is to define the problem. The first part of that is to arrive at a summary, turn the problem into about 2 sentences of summary. The next thing they will do is they will come to put a name to the problem. The third stage of PBL is the free brainstorm, where the individuals within the group will contribute their ideas that will be captured by the scribe and put up onto the smartboard. The fourth stage of PBL is to arrange those ideas that have been put into the brainstorm. So the way that they've put up there may not necessarily be well structured, and they will as a group work to put some structure to the information they've put onto the smartboard. Stage 5 of PBL is to define the learning outcomes. Looking at the brainstorm that they have put together, we'll look around it and determine from that what learning outcomes they believe they need to come to be able to answer the problems that arise out of the scenario. Stage 6 of PBL is that the group will go away and individually research, using the university resources, those learning outcomes to find answers to those problems. The final stage, stage 7, is that the group will reconvene, usually 1 week later, and will share with each other the results of their self-directed study, researching the learning outcomes that they've arrived at.